Hey everyone, Brendan from Brinkley RV. I'm here to give you guys a step-by-step walkthrough on how to winterize your Model Z fifth wheel. Let's get into it. All right, so starting off, there's a few components that you'll need. 3 gallons of RV specific antifreeze, an air compressor, an air pressure regulator, a small piece of garden hose, and then an air quick connect with a male fitting on the end. So first off, you're gonna wanna make sure that your RV is level. So you have your control panel right in here. You can also utilize the One Control app that pairs to your unit. After that's complete, you're gonna go ahead and come to your black tank flush and flush out your black tank. From there, you're gonna drain your black tank, your gray tank, along with your fresh water tank. So once the tanks have been dumped and closed, it's time to power off the hot water heater. So you have an on-off here, along with the linen closet in your bathroom. While we're here, we'll go ahead and drain the hot water heater as well, and it is the small brass fitting that's on the very bottom side of the water heater. All right, so we have both the filter and the drain plug out. We'll keep them out and let them drain as we go about the other processes. So before we head inside, we wanna make sure that our water pump is turned off, our utility center is turned to power tank fill, and then we'll come under here and we will open our low point drains as well. And that'll allow us to go inside and open all of our faucets. All right, so now that we're inside, we're gonna go ahead and open every single faucet. Bathroom sink, bathroom shower, kitchen sink, along with your toilet. So you'll start with opening the hot side, then you'll go to the cold side until it's all drained. And as for the toilet, you will hold the foot flush until everything empties out. And now we'll head outside into the pass-through and show you the 2 hot and cold waters out there that need to be drained. All right, so now that we're back outside, we're gonna grab our coily hose and connect it to our hot and cold water on both sides. We'll open hot first, then cold, and drain all the water out of those lines. From that point, we are then ready to hook up our air compressor and start blowing out the lines. We're gonna come to our utility center and make sure that our 3 knobs are all turned at a 45-degree angle. From there, we'll take our air compressor quick connect, fasten it on here, get it nice and tight. Take our air compressor where the air is regulated to 30 PSI, plug it in. All right, so now that the air compressor has been hooked up for a little while, we're not seeing any more water coming out of our faucets or low points. And don't forget to blow out your 65-foot water hose as well. We're gonna go ahead and close our low point drains and put the drains back into our water heater. All right, so it's now time to run antifreeze through the lines. So we're gonna go ahead to our utility center and change our knobs to winterize. So we'll go white to the right, blue to the left, and green to the left. We'll then take our piece of hose, fasten it in there, open our first gallon of RV antifreeze, stick the line in there. We can now come back to the utility center, turn our water pump on, and it'll start siphoning through the lines. All right, the water pump's on, let's head inside. All right, so now that we're inside in the bathroom, we're gonna open up every fixture, hot and cold side. Make sure we're seeing the pink antifreeze come out. Come down to the toilet. We're gonna hold the foot flush again until we're starting to see the pink fluid come out. Here at Brinkley, we recommend before you start to make a checklist of every single fixture from your pass-through, from your kitchen to your bathroom, to make sure that you don't forget a single fixture when it comes to wintertime. All right, so now that we've run antifreeze through all your different fixtures, we recommend to put about a half a cup in all the different drains, so your bathroom shower, your bathroom sink, your toilet, and your kitchen sink as well. All right, so this Model Z is now winterized for the season. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to contact our customer care team, and more information can be found on our Owners Hub along with our Owner's Manual. Happy camping.